Best watercolor brushes comparison. Watercolor brushes are an essential tool for artists, whether they're beginners exploring their creativity or professionals producing intricate masterpieces. The right brush can make a significant difference in precision, paint flow, and overall artistic experience. In this review, we tested 5 watercolor brush sets across a price range. List 1. The Bonichi Professional Artist Paintbrush Set offers 12 brushes in various shapes and sizes, making it ideal for versatile use. With nylon bristles and ergonomic wooden handles, this set is suitable for watercolor, acrylic, and oil painting. The bristles are soft yet durable, and the set is marketed as a great gift for creatives, from kids to professionals. In testing, the Bonichi brushes performed well for beginners and casual artists. The nylon bristles held paint effectively and provided smooth application. However, advanced users may find the bristle quality less refined for highly detailed work. The lightweight handles are comfortable for extended use, but they lack the premium feel of higher-end models. Overall, this set is a solid choice for hobbyists seeking affordability and versatility. List number. The Arteza Watercolor Brush Set features 12 synthetic brushes, including round, flat, angle, cat's tongue, and dagger shapes. Designed for multiple mediums such as watercolor, acrylic, and gouache, these brushes are versatile and durable. The crimped aluminum ferrules ensure the bristles stay in place, while the beaver tail handles provide a comfortable grip. This set impressed with its ability to handle a variety of painting techniques, from fine details to broad washes. The synthetic bristles held their shape well and resisted shedding, even after extended use. While the price is on the higher end of the mid-range category, the quality and versatility justify the cost. This is an excellent option for intermediate to advanced artists looking for reliable performance. List 9. The Fenori Artist Watercolor Paint Brushes Set includes 12 round brushes of varying sizes. Made with nylon bristles and short wooden handles, these brushes are designed for comfort, and precision. The bristles are soft, flexible, and highly absorbent, making them suitable for watercolor, acrylics, and other mediums. During testing, the Fenori brushes demonstrated excellent paint retention and smooth application. The short handles provided good control for detail work, making this set ideal for beginners and hobbyists. However, the brushes lack the variety of shapes found in other sets, limiting their versatility. Despite this, the quality of the bristles and the affordable price make this a strong option for those focused on round brushes. List 4. The Artegria Watercolor Brush Set is a premium offering with 10 synthetic squirrel brushes in a variety of shapes, including pointed rounds, flats, a dagger, and an oval wash. The set includes thoughtful extras like a velvet travel bag and an instructional guide, emphasizing its appeal to serious artists. This set stood out for its exceptional bristle quality and liquid holding capacity, which enabled smooth and consistent paint flow. The lightweight handles are well balanced, providing excellent control. While the $23.95 price tag is the highest in this comparison, the performance and included accessories justify the investment for professionals and dedicated hobbyists. List 9. The Aliexpress Water Brush Pen Set includes 3 refillable brushes with different tip sizes. Designed for portability and ease of use, these brushes are ideal for blending, shading, and creating watercolor effects on the go. The flexible synthetic bristles maintain their shape, and the refillable design allows for extended use. While the concept is innovative, the execution falls short. The water flow was inconsistent during testing, leading to uneven color application. The brushes are compact and travel-friendly, but lack the precision and control of traditional brushes. This set is best suited for casual artists or children experimenting with watercolors.